Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a quick video just to show you a flip through of my ocean journal, which is available for sale. 55 New Zealand dollars. It's A5 in size. The covers are slightly larger than A5. Sorry, please excuse my grubby sweatshirt. I forgot to change it out for the video. So my usual card cover, covered in wallpaper, and this wallpaper's got a lovely nautical motif on it, and a quilted topper for the cover, and the spine is covered in lace, and the corners have metal book corners on, tied with some satin ribbon. Oops, I just got myself in a knot there, been trying to be too quick. There we go. So a number of digitals used throughout this, and I'll link all or list all the shops on Etsy that I got these papers from. I combined a number of kits together and picked and choose which papers to include. So a little flip out here at the beginning, petty pocket with a couple of wee journaling cards in, from using images from the nature book that I've talked about before. Pocket down here with a couple of journaling cards, so a normal regular sized one there, and this cute little fold out one. Coffee dyed paper, some ruffles in this that I've made from some packaging that came on our mattress topper. Little fabric flip here that you can write under. Just some regular coloured photocopy paper. This is a different digital kit. This is a watercolour one, really pretty. Bit of stenciling in here, coffee dyed using lace doily. And double pocket down in the corner here with this big flip out journal card. And you could also write on the back of that as well, because it's quite a pale print. And then this little postcard, which was part of one of the kits, which I've just added a few little details to and backed it with a different digital kit. Bit of wax deli type paper, not exactly sure what it is really. I picked it up at a junk shop. Bit of children's book page here with some fishies. Lots of writing space you can write in around the fish on here, and the text I covered with some writing paper. More stenciling. Here's a map page, which I've just got this little pocket on, library style pocket with a tab journaling card, which I think is really cute. And also in there I've tucked in something that my friend brought round to me yesterday or the day before, and it's paint sample. So it's got all those blues on it, and it's got this Beyond the Sea on the front. So I thought I'm going to put that in my ocean journal. Just a bit of fun. So you could totally glue it down somewhere, use it as a bookmark, or cut out the paint samples for decorating the journal or something else. Over here we've got a belly band decorated with some New Zealand stamps, all with an ocean theme, and a big book page journaling card decoupaged with a serviette. Really cute, fun design on that. Bit of coffee dyed grid paper here. Some more digital paper. And on the back of this I've made a cluster, and this life preserver ring is off the wallpaper that I covered the journal with. A bit of ribbon, this cute little journal card or tag with a sparkly trim, and this vintage playing card, which is actually a blank one. It's got age spots and things on it, but rather cute. Some of my eco dyed paper, which you should be familiar with if you've watched my former videos. Another digital kit. And on the back of this is a trifold journaling card. This idea came from Gayle Agostinelli, and I just love this idea. So the ribbon, you can undo it or just slide it off, open it out, and you've got journaling space in here, a tag in the pocket, which is more journaling space, and then flip it over and you've got all this lovely writing space as well. So we clip it in so that you can write on the back as well, but also if it's too bulky while you're writing on other pages, you can just slip it out, do your writing, and then reattach it with the paper clip, and it makes life just that little bit easier when you're journaling, or whatever you're doing in here, whether it's art journaling or collage or whatever it is. So the next page is a calendar page, and I've put this book page illustration as a flip with some writing space on the back. And the calendar page is actually a colouring calendar page. So whoever ends up with this journal can colour it, leave it as is, enjoy it, or if they don't like it, stick things over top. And in the middle I've just tied off the strings with these little star charms. I thought ocean themed, we can call them starfish. Okay, over here we have a side pocket with another fold out journaling card, some stamping inside. Little pocket down here from one of the kits, and in here is another paddy pocket, but I made this with scrapbook paper and I just loved the paper so much I didn't want to glue it down and lose that cute little picture, so I put it in a pocket here. A couple of journaling cards on either side, and then in the back, just for good measure, for more writing space, is another journaling card with this cute book page illustration that flips out. The other half of the atlas page, and we've got a flip out here made with a window envelope, so there's a window here, and in the back is a tag, so you see the front of the tag through the window. Bit of fun. Just stick a bit of writing paper on top of the atlas on this side with We Stamp, just to increase writing space. Here we've got a little flip open, so lots of writing space in there, and there's a journaling card in the wee side pocket, so you can write under that and on the back of it. And in the back is this cute tag with a different digital printable of these cute colourful jellyfish. The other half of the children's book page, which I've glued on a jelly print of mine. I did this with ink and stamped it with a rubber stamp and turned it into a pocket. So there's another journaling card there, so writing space here, writing space there, writing space on the back, and writing space on the back of the journaling card. Plenty of writing space in these journals if you want to use it for writing. This little corner up tuck, and there's a wee envelope in here which was sent to me in Happy Mail, and it's just got a little bit of eco-dyed paper in there for tuck a few secret notes. Almost at the ends now, a bit more stenciling. The other half of the watercolour digital page, the other ruffle, more stenciling, and the end of the journal. So there we have it, 60 pages for you to write on or stick things on, or however you like to use journals. I use it as a notebook, and then just to keep it all closed once it's nice and bulging with all your goodies, just tie it back up and it's all done. So there we go, there's my ocean themed journal, and it's available to purchase now, so get in touch if you're interested. Okay, have a great day guys. See you in the next time. Bye.